definitely a few concrete trucks today. Started, dude. Let's go. Well, boys, we got some update here. This is the 4th concrete truck that they got down, but look at this, dude. We got a slab. Oh, look at that. So they got the machine here. Basically, we're making the whole entire inside of the garage. It's gonna be all smooth, like a normal like garage on your house kind of thing. So we'll be doing be able to do the floors and epoxy, that thing. But still, we got the water right here, electric. It's perfect. Coming all the way back here. It's pretty thick back here, man. It's crazy just because of the grade and stuff. So we'll be putting bushes right here so you don't see just a concrete slab wall right here. But dude, freaking crazy. Look at that. They've been working hard, man. It's still pretty early in the morning and like they've already had 4 trucks come out, but come back around, dude. You can really just see how big the slab is now. Coming all the way over here, this is going to be about the corner of the garage, and you have all of that room over there. This is and then we got the 12x40 slab right here just for parking and stuff. But dude, this is this is gonna be pretty crazy. It's so sick. Well, guys, it is a couple days later now. I didn't film too many clips, as you guys saw those couple of clips of them actually pouring the concrete, but I just wanted to let them do their thing, get it done, and boy, does it freaking look really, really good, and I couldn't be more happy. Obviously, we still have to do the driveway, which I'll show you guys, which is going to be the extension all the way up to the garage attached to our current driveway, as you guys can see right here. So there's still work to be done, but the full entire slab 30x40 plus the 12x40 extension is complete. So I couldn't be happier with this thing. Check this out. Here we go. So stepping back, you guys know that we obviously are doing the driveway extension all the way up, so you can see this is not complete yet. They actually pour this 1 week from now, so it's coming up quick, and the weather has been holding out amazing. So like I said, we're doing the extension, which is going to go all the way up to 12x40, and this is just going to be the driveway extension all the way up. But dude, look at this, man. The slab is poured all the way up. So starting over here, I'll kind of give you guys a rundown. This is the 12x40, like all the way over right here, and you can see it goes all the way over to this corner. So you can see the concrete itself is like, it's rough, which is the normal, you know, texture that you have on normal concrete that's outside. Then within the garage, starting here and then all the way over, this is just like smooth. So if you have like an indoor garage, 2-car garage or anything like that, this is what we did, because we can epoxy these floors, and this is the texture that you really want, compared to, you don't want to lay on this ground obviously within a garage. So we did the smooth. They did cut the stress joints as well, so they did 10x10s all the way around. And these you definitely want to do as well if you have a massive concrete slab, because you know that will relieve the stress over time. And if you didn't do this, your concrete would 100% definitely probably crack over time. So what we're standing on right now is going to be with inside the garage, the 30x40 slab, and we did 6 inches thick and 4,000 psi of concrete. And you guys can see this wall is crazy back here, and it's probably 3 feet high of concrete in the back corner just because of the grade and all that of the yard. So it is pretty thick, and it's honestly like, I couldn't be happier with it. Like, it looks super, super good in person, and it is coming along. If we stand all the way back here, you guys can really take the perspective of how this thing is gonna be pretty big. Freaking sick. And where we're standing right here, this is going to be basically where the 4-post is going to be. So storage lift will come up here. We'll have the sink, you guys can see the water. We'll have the sink right here. Power's at the front left, and we'll have the man door, I guess, basically right here. So, and then we'll have the 2 10x10s. But this thing, man, is coming along. Gosh, dude. And obviously the cool thing about this too is the grade that we did is we'll be able to just drive straight into the garage. So the concrete, the driveway will come directly right up to the front of this. So there'll be like minimal graded also. Obviously we can fit the low Miatas, any low cars that we have, because we definitely have a lot of low cars and stuff. But whew, look at that, dude. Freaking sick. So like I said, A week from now, we'll be pouring the driveway, and then also 1 week from now, I will be scheduling the building and stuff, and they're pretty quick out, 2-3 weeks. So we should probably have a building starting to be put up probably at the end of October, beginning of November. So definitely in November, we will have a 30x40 building right here, and then also we'll have the lean by 2 for the extra 12x40, which is freaking sick. So I could not be more happy with it. Guys, I hope you guys are really enjoying the process of building the garage. I know it's not car content, but definitely it will help us progress with the car content even more. But who doesn't also love garages with lifts and stuff? So, but I couldn't be more excited myself, and this thing is coming along pretty quick. Like I said, in 1 week we'll have the driveway poured, and then also 1 week we'll be out and scheduling for the building. So after that, it'll just be electricity, running all the lights, all the plugs and stuff. And then after that, we're gonna coat the floor as well. I can't decide what coating I wanna go with the floor yet. And then also we're probably gonna insulate the building, maybe spray foam. I haven't decided that just yet either, but I'll definitely do a build breakdown too, coming up here soon. But next video that you guys do see on the garage will definitely be, you know, update on the driveway, and then also starting the process of putting the building up and everything. So definitely stay tuned for that. Definitely smash that like button if you guys enjoy the garage content. Comment down below if you guys have your own garage, and if you guys are excited about the 30x40 shot. But as always, GPG, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. We'll see you in the next one.